Hello students, so this question is taken from chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. So can you tell us, whenever we get the smell of hot food which was being prepared in the kitchen, but the smell we also get outside the house, because of which option, students? Our first option is boiling, our second option is evaporation, third option is sublimation, and our last option is diffusion. If we see to the solution of this question, firstly, we need to know what do we understand by boiling. Boiling is basically the rapid vaporization of a liquid which occurs when a liquid is heated to its boiling point and the temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the pressure exerted on the liquid by our surrounding atmosphere. If we look at our second option, that is evaporation, so students, evaporation is also a type of vaporization, but in this it occurs only on the surface of a liquid as it changes into the gas phase. If we look at our third option, that is sublimation, sublimation is the transition of a substance directly from a solid phase to the gaseous phase, students, without changing into the intermediate liquid phase. And now if we talk about diffusion, then diffusion is defined as the process of spreading and mixing of a substance with another substance. Like in this case, when food gets cooked, it releases some aromatic gases into the air. Then the molecule of these gases spread and mix with air molecules. So when this air reaches our nose, we get the smell of food, and this process is known as diffusion. So the correct option for this question will be our option number D, as on heating food, the molecule of its aromatic gases gain kinetic energy and it starts vibrating faster. They spread and mix easily into the air, leading to an increased rate of diffusion. So it will diffuse from kitchen to outside the house, as kitchen have a higher concentration and outside the house will have a lower concentration. So it will move from higher concentration to lower concentration. So I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.